Hey Frankie, how you doing? My name is Leo with Arona Marketing. I spoke with Caleb earlier about shooting over this quick video with some tips and tricks you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your Google Business profile and your website. Spoke with Caleb. He was awesome, the good face of the company. He was very polite. I just want to give him a shout out. And I'd love to hear some feedback from you about this video. So I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. I did notice that your website is not linked to your Google Business profile. I'm not sure why. I don't know if there's a specific reason there, but you can definitely add your URL right here. But it definitely needs to be secure too. This is not secure, so if they took any kind of payments or anything over the phone or just entering the contact information, it runs a risk of being hacked and your customers' information being taken. So definitely work on getting that site secured. I love how you got your point of contacts up here. There's so many ways to get in touch with you because a lot of times this day and age, people are a little bit more timid and they don't really want to get on the phone and speak with somebody. So having a way for them to just email or contact you or submit a form as a great way to reach out to your customers. Love the website, love the logo, love the photos and things on here. But the only problem I see here, one of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content because Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in the Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another thing to do when you save photos and videos, save those as keywords because those are considered content as well. So this could be Roto-Rooter, Lexington, Kentucky, drain, unclogged drain, Lexington, Kentucky, hot water heater replacement, Lexington, Kentucky, something like that. So don't miss that opportunity with these photos. Make sure that they get saved correctly because again, that is content. 24/7 Google bots go through these sites and the bots don't actually see these wonderful photos that you have. They see the text that's in behind them. So what I've done is I've actually took your website and put it into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. So this is a UR and the DR. This is the strength and the trust that your site has with Google. This is on a scale of 100. So you want to keep these numbers balanced and moving up continuously. It's called the golden ratio. So the closer these numbers are together, you want to divide these into each other and equal a 1. And that's about as strong as you can get. These are your backlinks. You've got 147, and then you have 30 referring domains. Now, a backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are spammy and some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to seek out the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to the industry and that's local to you. So again, you got 147 on the backlinks, 30 referring domains. So implementing some of these tips is going to help you boost these numbers up right here. It's going to help you rank higher. Now, as of right now, you have 47 organic keywords, and that's bringing 194 people to your website each month, which ain't bad at all. What I clicked on your organic keywords. I'm going to see what you're being found for. Lex-Rooter, number 1. So looking for buyer intent keywords. Drain cleaning, Kentucky. That's too broad. That's more of a national. Drain cleaning, Lexington, Kentucky, right here. It's a good one. So it's a KD of 1, and this is out of 100 as well. So the lower the KD, the easier it is to rank. And there's 20 people searching each month, and you're in position 6. You've actually went up a position there. Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky. You're at 40. You was at 38. Now you're up 2 spots to 40. That's a very huge keyword. It's a 1,300 and it's only a 4 KD. So it should be pretty simple to rank for. You just need to add more content on that home page. Now what I've done was typed in a buyer intent keyword, plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky, and that's going to show me at the very top of the page is going to be where you normally see your Google ads, which is a great way to start and get business. But once you stop paying for those ads, you're wiped off of that front page. Then you move down to the map pack, Google Maps. And this top 3 is where you want to be. These are the most trusted in the public's eye, but in all reality, these are the ones that just have the better backlinks, the better keywords, the most content, things like that. So again, implementing some of these changes is going to help you rank higher. Now, you're not in this top 3, and that's fine, because there are several ways to get there. You want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, and you definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's also a 750 character About Us section at the bottom. You want to fill that out, and don't forget to add those keywords in there as well, because that'll help boost your ranking. By posting branded, geotagged, geolocated photos weekly, it's going to help you rank organically. And that's like I showed you with the photo. Make sure you're hiding keywords behind there like plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky, hot water heater replacement, Lexington, Kentucky, drain, cleaning, Lexington, Kentucky, things like that. Adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, in directories like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Yext, White Pages, because Google's like a big popularity contest, honestly. And by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, it's going to make Google start to trust you more, and it'll boost your business, not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack will give you about 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes to your website, and it's going to give you a call right from there. Now down here is Google Analytics. Your top competitor is H2O Mysterio. So if we go to their site, you can see that they are lacking content as well. So if you implement having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank these guys while adding backlinks and such too. Now, what I've done for my Google Analytic tool is I went in here and just typed in plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky, and it's showing me all the buyer intent keywords for that area. So there's really good volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume is going to go to your website. A percentage of that is going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you can turn those traffic driven to your site, you can turn them into customers. Frankie, I definitely hope that this video was helpful. Again, I would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Again, my name's Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just reach out because I could be that resource for you if needed. Frankie, you have a great day.